Hello everybody.
Little upgrade of flat screen TV set, 75 inch. And welcome to the Purple Palace. And that's where it's going right there. You're going to replace that old TV set that in its day it was state of the art. And now we're going to change it to a mount. The mount that I have it there won't even handle it. And it's got to be dropped down and other things be done. So it's a unique type situation, and getting that all converted over to 75 inches. So that's my next project. I'm gonna get it done between now and Monday. So that's what we're doing. Wish me luck.